Hi. Today, we will see how to show a video preview when we hover the computer mouse over its thumbnail, just like on YouTube. So first, what we will do is load a video into an HTML page. We will show a thumbnail in the video. Then, if the user hovers the mouse near the middle region of the thumbnail, then, we will start playing the video in mute mode, just like showing the video preview. You might have seen this happening on YouTube and other similar sites. Let's see the project structure first. Here we have an index.html file, an MP4 video file, and an image for a thumbnail. Let's see the index.html file now. Here we have HTML and head tags. Inside the head tag, we have the CSS code. We will see that later. In the body tag, first, we use a div tag. Inside that, we have a video tag. Here we specify the video name. We use the controls and muted attributes so that the video will be muted by default, and there will be play controls on the video player. Using the poster attribute, we show the thumbnail over the video. Now let's see the JavaScript. In the script tag, we write the JavaScript code. First, we access the video using its ID. When the mouse is moved over the video, this event listener gets fired. Here, we find the center region of the video. When the mouse is moved over the center region, we play the video. And when the mouse is moved away, we pause the video and place the video back to 0 timestamp. When the mouse is moved away from the video player, this event listener gets fired. Here, we pause the video and place the video back to 0 timestamp. Now, let's see the CSS. Here in the head tag, we have the style tag. Inside that, we have the CSS. This is the CSS of the entire body. Here we set the background color. We use the flexbox so that the video can be centered on the screen. This is the CSS of the div tag. We set its width. And here, we set the CSS of the video tag. Its width, border radius, etc. The CSS is fairly simple. Now, let's run the page in a browser. As you can see, a thumbnail is shown over the video. We can start, stop, mute, and unmute the video using these controls. Now, if I move the mouse in the central region of the video starts playing automatically without pressing any button. The video plays in mute mode. If I move the mouse away, the video pauses, and the video goes back to 0 timestamp. If I move the mouse away from the video player entirely, then the video pauses, and the video goes back to 0 timestamp. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.